It's okay, I'll just say that your body's gone today. You inhale, I don't think you failed. You just made some bail. Come the day, it gets worse, and I hope you fucking hurt. Now what's the word, Captain? I think I caught you late.